Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Dylan here. Thank you so much for coming by. Huge update with the strike going on. This is absolute breaking news. So thumbs up the video if you think drivers deserve more pay. We're gonna get into it and a whole lot more in today's video. But firstly, I did want to thank our sponsor Solo, which is the business app for drivers, and they are providing drivers with guaranteed pay. As you can see here, from 10 to 11 a.m. driving for Lyft, they're gonna guarantee that you make that amount. So if you don't earn that amount, you will get that guaranteed. They will pay you out. And when you sign up for our link below, they're actually gonna send you 15 bucks. As soon as you link your account, type in your Venmo and PayPal, and the guaranteed amount is only available in these select areas. However, they do have a free nationwide account that comes with personal income dashboard, weekly income reports. They have other plans too that comes with federal tax projections, automated mileage tracking, so you don't have to worry about any of that. They handle everything. It's super awesome. So sign up for WorkSolo in the description. Take home $5,000 more a year. Harry Campbell from the Rideshare Guy is an investor and an advisor, so this company is super valid. So check out WorkSolo with our link. Get your 15 bucks with our unique link, and listen to this. Union calls on UK Uber users to join 24-hour strike over revelations. Public has asked to avoid using ride-hailing service on Wednesday in response to issue raised by Uber files. And this is brand new, my friends. This is updated news, Sunday, 17th July 2022. I know they say it backwards in the UK, but listen to this. A trade union representing gig economy workers is calling on Uber customers to join a 24-hour strike in response to the Uber files. A series of blah, 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 blah. App drivers and couriers union invited Uber users to avoid using the service for a day, and instead join a demonstration of the company's headquarters in London. So there is a crazy amount of people, not only in the United States, and by the way, we have a ton of worldwide viewers on this channel, so I welcome people from every single part of the world to be on here, not just the United States. We report on worldwide news, so I'm sorry for all the people commenting, Dylan, what the heck? Why are you not talking about America? This is America. I know, there are other places in the world too, and like people are upset with Uber in other parts of the world as well, especially in the United Kingdom. So what do you guys think? Are you gonna be joining in on this strike? Should we do this also in America? And again, check out the link for Solo down below. You can sign up and start getting guaranteed pay if you're in one of those cities. If not, you can sign up in a different area, and they're planning to expand to other markets as well. So check out Get Solo for free. Download it right now in 2 minutes. And they're gonna send you $15 just for joining the Solo family. So thanks guys, have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.